Nakakapanghinayang lang talaga, Sabrina. Kung pera lang naman pala ang problema, magagawa natin ng paraan yun. Sana kinonsulta mo muna ako. Yung nagpadalos-dalos ka na ng desisyon.
Attorney, hindi lang naman ho pera-pera ang usapan eh. Yung inang ko nagkakasakit na. Araw-araw, hindi natatahimik yung pamilya ko. Hindi niya kinaya yung nangyari sa amin, attorney. Hindi ko kakayanin pag nawala po ang inang ko dahil lang sa kahayupan Morgan na yun.
Sabrina, kasanang magagalit. Pero tama si Attorney Villarreal. Hindi mo kailangang sumuko. Pwede mo namang ipaglaban ang sarili mo na hindi nadadamay ang mama mo.
What's this, Attorney Villarreal? Are you badgering your client into changing her mind?
What happened to you, Grace? Kailangan ko lang malaman.
Excuse me? I'm not badgering my client. I'm merely advising her.
Advising. Advising her into filing another case, I suppose. Attorney, tapos na. Tapos na ang kaso. Nakipag-areglo na ang kliyente mo sa kliyente ko. It's a done deal. Huwag na natin pahirapan ng mga sarili natin. Hindi mo rin naman kayang ipanalo ang kaso.
Iniinsulto mo ba ako?
I'm just stating a fact. You have no case. What happened between your client and my client was consensual sex.
Attorney, in any court mapapatunayan ko that it was not.
Ha? Really? Ilang rape cases na ba ang hinawakan mo at naipanalo, attorney? In fact, I know of a case na should have been brought to court. Pero sa paghahanap pa lang ng suspect, pumalpak ka na.
Attorney, don't you go there.
Bakit? Totoo naman ah. Don't you think I do my research? I know your track record, attorney. And I know na hindi mo na ipagtanggol si Attorney Grace Evangelista.
Attorney, you better stop it.
The rape victim herself!
Attorney, wag niyo akong idamay sa usapan niyo, ah. I'm not the one on trial here.
Totoo naman, hindi ba?
Attorney, you're out of...
You are a rape victim yourself. Uminom ka sa isang bar sa may Dominguez Avenue, di ba? And you were brought to a place na malayo sa lugar mo. And you were raped there.
Attorney, it's time for you to stop talking.
Inaasa ka. You were
Attorney,
violated. You were taken against your will. And in the process,
Attorney, I'm giving you
umampas
one
ang mukha
last
mo sa
warning.
salamin at naging sanhi ng pagkabulag ko. Hindi ba?
Attorney!
After that, you were brought
Are you
to a
not
place
going to stop?
at
Hey!
tinapon ka. You were left for
Stop it! Stop it!
Tama na!
Tumigil ka na, attorney! Kuya William? Kuya Will, anong ginagawa niyo dito? Kuya Will!